Hi, tenor sax. Today we're doing Accent Book 2, page number 15. And on page number 15, we're talking about the dotted 8th and 16th note rhythm pattern. This dotted 8th and 16th note rhythm pattern is centered on the dotted 8th note. And the dotted 8th note is a confusing note to many students. Imagine, if you will, 4 16th notes, because everybody likes 4 16th notes. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, or Mississippi, Mississippi. Well, if you took the first 3 16th notes from that group of 4 16th notes, and if you combined those 3 16th notes into a note, it would be a dotted 8th note. What's left over? Well, the 16th note that you didn't join as part of the dotted 8th note. That's why we always see the 16th note by the dotted 8th, because it's really part of the 4 16th note pattern. Now, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a. That's how we count this. But I like to say hump, D, dump, D, hump, D, dump, D. When I play this rhythm pattern, in my mind, it helps me sound out the rhythm of that pattern. So think about that hump, D, dump, D, as we play our first exercise, dotted 8ths, number 50. It uses that pattern throughout. It's got B flats and E flats, and it's in 4/4 time. Remember that our B flat is 2 inside, and our E flat is fingered like D with our pinky on our right hand on the top E flat key. Here we go. Number 50. 1, 2, a 3, 4, 1, 2, a ready, go. Let's play it one more time. And 1, 2, ready, go. Next up is probably one of the most famous dotted 8th and 16th note songs. It's the bridal chorus from Lohengrin. This piece was written by Richard Wagner. And let's see if anyone can recognize it as you practice it. Join me and let's play the bridal chorus. 4/4 time with a B flat. 1, 2, ready, go. That one's a fun one to play, and maybe someone recognized it as you were playing. If you'd like to, rewind the video and try playing it again, just for fun or to make some progress because you made a mistake. Number 52 is the theme from the Unfinished Symphony by Franz Schubert. Franz Schubert died while he was writing this symphony, and one of his dedicated students finished it after he had passed. We'll always know this piece as the Unfinished Symphony, though. In this one, we have line 1 where we have F natural as our primary note. You see, this song is in the key of F. And in line 2, many of the Fs are changed to F sharp, all but the last note, which is F natural. So be careful of the changing Fs in the Unfinished Symphony. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Did you remember the F sharps and F natural? There's one F sharp on line 2 in measure 2 that isn't marked with a sharp. If you made a mistake there, mark that note and play it again to show yourself that you can make progress on even one single note. Our last piece to play today is number 53, and it's the Italian Street Song by Victor Herbert. This is a fun one to play because it's a happy melody. It's in 2/4 time, and it uses all of the notes of our C major scale. Join me and let's play the Italian Street Song. 1, 2, 1 E and a 2 and 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2, ready and a go. So much fun to play that one. The last exercise is an accent on theory exercise. You'll need a pencil because we're going to be constructing the major scale. They show us the F major scale written in whole notes, and they've shown us the whole step and half step pattern to make our F major scale. They'd like you to write the D major scale in the space provided. Take a pencil, starting with D, follow the same pattern of whole steps and half steps, and see if you can come up with a D major scale. Here's a tip, or a hint rather. It has 2 sharp notes, F sharp and C sharp. Can you devise the D major scale, and then can you play it on your instrument? So until I see you next time, keep practicing.